We were having trouble with our craft ice maker inside our side-by-side refrigerator, so we opened up the refrigerator door, looked at the settings here, and you can see the regular ice maker, and then this is the craft ice. And when you go through it, you get 3 ice, turn it off, 6 ice. I actually like the 3 ice because the ice cubes come out clearer. And then go ahead and hit lock so that nobody messes with it. And then went to the ice maker because that didn't change anything. And so inside there is a reset button that is right here, and you have to hold that down. But before you hold it down, put a bowl or something underneath there so that the water doesn't go everywhere. This will actually run through a cycle like 2, maybe 3 times, and then when it is all done, it will actually go back in place. Okay, so you can see now it's back in place, and then go ahead and put your ice tray back in and you are good to go.